In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to share a design in Canva and copy a shareable link the right way. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the actual project you want to share. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and click the share button. This opens all the sharing options in one place. If you want to send it directly to someone, enter their email address in the field provided. Then choose their permission level. You can select Can View if you only want them to see it, Can Comment if you want feedback without changes, or Can Edit if you're collaborating and want them to make updates. If you prefer to send a link instead, look for the link sharing section in the same share panel. You'll see a drop-down where you can control access. Set it to anyone with the link and choose the permission level, view, comment or edit. Once that's selected, click Copy Link. Now you can paste that link into an email, message or project management tool. Anyone with the link will have exactly the level of access you chose. If you ever need to stop sharing, go back to the share panel and adjust or remove access at any time. And that's it. You now know how to share a Canva design and copy a controlled access link in just a few clicks.